Think your snack is healthy? Did you know that your healthy cereal could potentially have 3 kinds of hidden sugar in it? Food companies know we're looking for sugar, so sometimes they try to disguise it. You might see ingredients like evaporated cane juice, fruit juice concentrate, brown rice syrup. They're all types of sugars. If you see more than one sweetener listed on the ingredients list, that could be a red flag. This is called ingredient splitting, where they divide up the sugars so it doesn't look like a top ingredient. The secret? Flip over the product and read the label. If you see anything that ends in "ose" or syrup, it's likely a sugar.
So I just wanted to compare two different food products. So the first product we have here are Honey Nut Cheerios. The other product I'm looking at is just regular Cheerios. We're going to go down to the ingredients list here. This is for the Honey Nut Cheerios, and the first ingredient is whole grain oats. The second ingredient is sugar. The fourth ingredient is honey, which is a form of sugar. The fifth ingredient is brown sugar syrup, which once again is a form of sugar. With this product, you can see it has 3 types of sugar in it. And let's flip over to the regular Cheerios. The first ingredient, whole grain oats. Third ingredient is sugar. In this regular Cheerios, there's only 1 type of sugar in it. Flipping back over to the Honey Nut Cheerios here, and now we're just going to look at the nutrition facts. And as you can see, this product has 12 grams of added sugars. When we flip back over to the regular Cheerios, this only has 1 gram of added sugar.
When you know what to look for, label reading gets so much easier. Next month, I'm dropping a free 5-day meal prepping video series just in my email list. Want in? Sign up now and you'll automatically get it in June. Follow the sign up link in the text of this post, and you'll get access to my totally free grocery shopping in the meantime, which goes more in depth about this topic and so much more. It won't be available once the meal prepping video series drops, so you're going to want to get access to it now. Believing in your best health. Coach Tiffany.